Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling and placing the cursor where the emoji will go. This is the single prerequisite that gets you typing right away. On Windows, use Win+. To open the panel, on Mac OS, press Ctrl-Command-Space. Once the panel opens, you'll see categories and a search box. Type a name to filter. Make sure the target app accepts emoji, text fields normally do. Doing this first saves time and avoids clipboard juggling later. Next, refine selection and insert with precision. You can search by keyword, for example, type smile or browse categories. This is faster than scrolling long lists. Use arrow keys and enter to keep hands on the keyboard, or click if you prefer. Choose modifiers like skin tone or gender before inserting so the final emoji appears as intended. Once done, repeat for additional emoji. Adding repeats to favorite speeds future workflows and keeps your typing flow intact. To finish, verify the emoji renders correctly in the recipient app. Some programs show text codes instead of glyphs. If that happens, make sure the app and system support Unicode emoji and are updated. As a fallback, open your OS character map or a trusted source, copy the emoji, and paste it where needed. If the picker fails to open, restart the app or the OS. This resolves permission or input service glitches most of the time. One quick restart often fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.